Hi, ako nga pala si Ferds at isa akong medrep. Today we'll be talking about things that I wish I knew before I become a medrep. Yung real talk ha. This video is for you kung isa ka sa mga aspiring medical representative, fresh grad, career shifters, or even mga newbie sa area at saka mga veteranong reps na sa area. Number 1, no one prepares you for rejection. Marami kang rejections every day. Not all the time, doctors will agree with you. Not all the time, healthcare professionals will agree with you. Second, akala ko, basta makipag-usap ka lang sa mga doktor. For every visit mo sa kanila, meron silang certain schedule na kailangan mong i-visit or i-cover para may promote mo or may present mo ang iyong product or gamot. Some doctors or healthcare professional will ignore you. They don't have time. Balikan na lang sa susunod. Third, have to make at least minimum of 10 calls per day. You have to visit more than 10 doctors sa territory. What if wala si doc? Nakabakasyon. Anong plano mo? Ang apat, pag gusto mo maging medrep, meron ka laging quota monthly, which is magbibigay sa'yo ng additional incentives kung mahihit mo siya. Kung hindi, better luck next month. Tandaan, hindi ito madali. If you think na kaya mo yung mga challenges as a rep, try mo na. Malay mo, ikaw na ang next achiever na aakyat sa stage. Comment down below mga ka-reps kung meron ka pa mga bagay na you wish you knew before ka maging medrep. Follow for more. Kaya mga ka-reps, G ka ba?